waiting for you. Okay, I think I should get last kill. Oh, I didn't change the game rules thing. It's only to 25. No, who cares? I can end it at 25. It has to be a frag kill, though. The last kill. No cheats. No cheats either. It has to be somewhat cool. Somewhat cool. Yeah. Like, he dies and he twists up in the air. That'll be cool or something.
Unity is isolate and destroy.
Oh! I'm dead. I was wall running. I didn't know I had to do that. I forgot about that. Yeah. First blood, baby. Oh, what? I thought you have, I don't have that.
Incoming lethal!
I think someone's behind me. Wow, I don't have that. I didn't think we could have that. I thought it would be cheating, so I didn't equip it. Wow, that's dumb. Oh. Sometimes with my control...
Outrider down.
That he got me. I was like, well, I don't know. I'm gonna buy that. How much does it cost? Yeah. 2. Oh, you have a Can we hit people? Can we hit people? Just hit them.
Outrider KIA.
I have extended mags, so that's why I almost didn't die. I'm dead. I did. I always think I'm gonna run out of ammo. Cause I'm in zombies. Play zombies too much. Zombies giants.
Tango down.
Double kill. I think that's a double kill. Nope. Double kill. Woohoo.
Frag!
As soon as you said that, like, I died. Oh, you did?
Overdrive, good to go.
What? He has 2? Oh. I think I know why. He has 2 guns.
She's down.
Man. I can't kill you. It feels so weird when you shoot when you have extended mags. Does it? Because I have giants. Okay, you're winning now. Oh, so we can hit people, right, with our gun? Oh, I took out his.
Spotter killed.
I had it. I'm so happy. Yeah, sure you would. He threw a concussion at me. I never said that was allowed. So he's smart. He's smart. Hideko, you're smart. Hideko's smart, dude. I can't even lie about that. You know how we said shock charges aren't allowed? Well, he used concussions. Can't even hit you. Wait, who's OP? I can't kill you. Jeez. Oh!
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Dude, you're like freaking. Oh my gosh! What are you
Be
using?
advised, hostile counter UAV is online.
What's scuff? What? What's scuff? What's scuff? Oh. Lucky. I want the trigger finger. But oh, I should have got one from GameStop.
Slowed him down.
It ran out of ammo. I picked up a gun and it ran out of ammo.
Frag!
Soldado killed.
Okay, dude. I really want my own controller now. RPG. I got him.
Down.
Where's his RPG? Fuck. Oh yeah, I only got.
60 sprint charged up. Spotter killed.
Oh, grenade. Can you see this? Oh, can you see that?
Overdrive
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Hostile RPG!
my trophy system just saved my life.
Stand by. UAV awaiting orders.
Predetermined sensors have captured your objective. UAV MTL 50% check. Supplies dropped. Exit PO.
No. Yes. Screw you.
Hailstorm awaiting orders.
UAV power levels 5% LTV.
You killed yourself. You little loser. He didn't kill himself. Wow.
Lethal.
Jesus Jesus! I'm running! I got him.
Down. Ready to blitz.
Hostile down.
I was like scoping like this. You didn't see what I was doing though.
RPG.
Catch me if you can, little boy.
Incoming lethal.
I'm so close to death. Screw you! You tried using that stupid frag grenade on me. Not today.
RPG.
I know, but no, I picked his up. I picked his up. Don't worry. Oh wait, that was only to 25.
Overdrive ready. Outrider.
It has to be
KIA.
explosion kill. So let's use rocket launchers. Yeah. No guns.
RPG. Move.
That was a kill with your shotgun. It has to be explosion kill. Okay, this will be the most epic kill cam ever. Oh!
That sucked. You fobbits better step the fuck up.
Okay. No! No! But I was using my and that wasn't even an explosion kill. No. Dude, that was the best though. I know, that's why I did it on purpose.
KIA. One shot, one
No,
kill.
I
Won't even hear it coming.
Oh wait, look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, look at this money. Do I look like a stormtrooper? Yeah. No, I don't.